All right, this is the Athena rocket launch. Or no, sorry, what rocket is this, Matthew?
Skyhawker.
The Skyhawker rocket, and it's going to go approximately 500 feet in the air. This is our 4th launch of the day. 3 successful launches, but this is going to go higher. So here we go. Let's put in the clip. I'm going to push it down, and we'll give a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. 1.
No, let's not.
Try it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope,
Dad,
that one's not winning. Okay, so take it out. We'll figure out what's going on here. Here, you hold the video camera. It's video. I think somehow that's got to be off there. Let's try it again. Here we go. Okay, let's try it. Walk back. Alright, so we fixed it.
Maybe. I don't know.
Put the launcher back in. You try it. Why don't you launch it? Hold it down. You gotta hold the key down.
No, you hold it.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it goes. Whoa, that went way higher, Matthew. There it goes.
I see it.
Come down, hopefully. Come down. Let me see if whoop, watch where you're going. Got it, Matthew?
Yeah.
You got it. Don't lose it. It's landing. Yeah. Did it burn up?
No.
All right. Successful rocket launch number 4.
But it did kind of stick together.
Oh, it did?
Yep.
Okay. The parachute did?
Yeah.
All right.
Don't rip it.
We won't. All right. That's the end of this video. Good job, buddy.